गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। ये सब क्वेश्चन आपको मैंने लास्ट क्लास में दिया था, ठीक है। तो इस यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कैलकुलेट करना था आपको कुछ एलिमेंट का, उसका आप आंसर चेक करिए। आई थिंक यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज गिवन इन लास्ट क्लास। फर्स्ट वन इज K2Cr2O7. In K2Cr2O7, oxidation number of chromium. Here number of chromium is 2 and oxidation number of chromium is unknown. So its oxidation number is X and there are 2 chromium. So I'll write 2X. And oxidation number of potassium. Oxidation number of potassium is always plus 1. Always plus 1. Plus oxidation number of oxygen is generally minus 2. So minus 2 into 7 equal to, is a neutral molecule, so its oxidation sum of oxidation number of all the elements equal to 0. ये रूल लास्ट में था, ये वाला sum of oxidation number of all the atoms or elements, all the elements in a molecule or ion is equal to net charge on that molecule or ion. Okay, so 2x minus 12 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 6. Then second question is H2SO4. In H2SO4, oxidation number of sulfur. For oxidation number of sulfur is X and oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 into 4, and oxidation number of hydrogen is linked with non-metal, so its oxidation number is plus 1 and there are 2 hydrogen atom, and this sum of oxidation number equal to 0. So X minus 6 equal to 0. So X equal to plus 6. So oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. Here oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. Then third example is HNO3. Third example is HNO3. Oxidation number of nitrogen. Oxidation nitrogen is X and hydrogen is plus 1. Plus 1 plus X and oxygen is minus 2. So this is equal to 0. So X minus 5 equal to 0. So X equal to plus 5. Here oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 5. Okay, you just cross check and mention plus 5. You have to mention how many correct answer आप जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे ना उसमें सही कितने होगा और जो भी क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ है उसका रीज़न क्या है, इसको एनालाइज करना है, ठीक है। हाँ, तो यहाँ पे फास्फोरस का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर निकालना है, तो X प्लस हाइड्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा, -1 रहेगा या +1। फास्फोरस इज नॉन मेटल, नॉन मेटल के पास इसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +1 रहता है, +1 इंटू 3 प्लस 4 इंटू -2 इक्वल टू 0. So X is -5 equal to 0. So oxidation number of phosphorus is +5. This means when phosphorus converts to H3PO4, it loses 5 electron. Hypothetical, it may be hypothetical or real. Okay, this oxidation number is +5. Okay, next question is H2O2. H2O2. For H2O2, oxidation number of oxygen. Here oxygen is a non-metal. In presence of non-metal or when hydrogen is attached with non-metal, its oxidation number is +1. So +1 into 2 plus oxidation number of oxygen is x, so 2x equal to 0. So x equal to -1. Here oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Oxidation number of oxygen is -1 in oxide or peroxide or superoxide? In oxide. In oxide. In peroxide. In superoxide. In oxide, oxide is O2 minus. Its oxidation number is -2. In peroxide, peroxide is O2 2 minus. Its oxidation number is -1. So this is peroxide. H2 to hydrogen peroxide. Its oxidation number is oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Next one is HNO2. HNO2. Oxidation number of nitrogen. For oxidation number of nitrogen is plus x plus hydrogen is +1 plus oxygen is -2 into 2 equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to +3. Here oxidation number of nitrogen is +3. Okay. Next one is NO3 minus. Oxidation number of nitrogen, x plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. So oxidation number of nitrogen is +5. Okay. Here oxidation number of nitrogen is +5. This is your +3. Then Cr2SO4 whole 3. Cr2SO4 whole 3. Here oxidation number of Cr. Question is oxidation number of Cr. Oxidation number of Cr. This is your known cases because you know what is SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus is sulfate. If SO4 is present in 2 minus state, then Cr is present in +3 state. Okay. So its oxidation number is +3. Then SO4 2 minus. Oxidation number of sulfur. Oxidation number of sulfur, x plus 4 into -2 equal to -2. So x equal to +6. You just check. Oxidation number of sulfur is +6. Oxidation number here chromium is +3. Last two NH4 and CO3 2 minus. NH4 plus and CO3 2 minus. Okay. Here oxidation number of nitrogen. Question is oxidation number of nitrogen. X plus hydrogen is +1. So +1 into 4 equal to +1. So x plus 4 equal to +1. X equal to -3. Its oxidation number is -3. In case of CO3 2 minus, oxidation number of carbon. Oxidation number of carbon. Carbon is x plus 3 into -2 equal to -2. So x minus 6 equal to -2. So x equal to +4. Here oxidation number of carbon is +4. Okay. Then some important note points. Some important note points. That is, first point is maximum oxidation number of any element equal to number of electron in outermost cell. outermost सेल कोई भी एलिमेंट है उसका मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या रहेगा, जो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन उसका आउटर मोस्ट सेल पे है ना वही मैक्सिमम रहेगा। जैसे कुछ एग्जांपल, कुछ एलिमेंट है यहाँ पे, जैसे क्रोमियम, क्लोरीन, सल्फर, फॉस्फोरस, नाइट्रोजन, एंड its maximum oxidation number you have to find. First one is for chromium. For chromium, atomic number is 24. So you can write 2, 8, 8 and 6. So number of electrons in outermost shell is 6. So its maximum oxidation number is +6. Okay. In case of chlorine, its oxidation number is maximum oxidation number. For maximum oxidation number of electrons in outermost shell is 7. So 7. Okay. आप लोग पॉज ले लो, पॉज करके वीडियो को ये सल्फर, फास्फोरस और नाइट्रोजन का निकालो. Okay. Then oxidation number of maximum oxidation number of sulfur. For sulfur, number of electron in outermost shell is 6. So maximum is +6. For phosphorus, atomic number is 15. So number of electron in outermost shell is 5. So +5. In case of nitrogen, atomic number is 7. So 2 and 5. Maximum oxidation number is +5. Okay. I think you have clear this concept. Is concept clear? Okay. Then minimum oxidation number. Minimum oxidation number of any element. Of any element equal, ये जो many element equal to number of electron in outermost shell minus it. But this concept is not for metal. Not for metal. मेटल के लिए ये वाला रूल नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल एलिमेंट क्लोरीन, its minimum oxidation number is chlorine atomic number is 17, 2, 8 and 7. Number of electron in outermost shell is 7. So 7 minus 8 equal to -1. So its oxidation number is -1. Then nitrogen. For nitrogen, 2 and 5. Atomic number is 7. So 2 and 5. Number of electron in outermost shell is 5. So 5 minus 8 equal to -3. Okay. Next, sulfur. For sulfur, atomic number is 16. So outermost electron, number of electron in outermost shell is 6. So 6 minus 8 equal to -2. So minimum oxidation number means in any case, if you calculate and the oxidation number of any element is increases from the maximum value and decreases from minimum value, then there is some mistake. Example, one example, consider the molecule H2SO5. Here oxidation number of sulfur, you calculate oxidation number of sulfur. If you find, you got oxidation number of hydrogen is +1, so there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so +2, plus oxidation number of sulfur is X, and oxygen, there are 5 oxygen. If you consider all 5 oxygens are oxide, then -2 equal to 0. So oxidation number of sulfur, from this calculation you got +8. But if you write answer is +8 in exam, this is not correct, this is wrong, because oxidation number of sulfur is maximum is +6, you got +8. How? You consider there are 5 oxides are present, but there are not 5 oxides. There are no 5 oxides are present. And there is a short trick. If you got the calculation, or you calculate and find the oxidation number of any element which is more than their maximum value, then you just write the maximum oxidation number of that element. Okay, its maximum oxidation number is +6, so I write +6. Okay. this is just a short trick, not a rule. It may violate. Okay. How? Here the structure of H2SO5 is this: O, O and H. In next class we discuss about oxidation number in bonded, covalently bonded state. Compare. Okay. Here this is a peroxide linkage. We discuss peroxide linkage in next class. Okay. Thank you.